Alright, we're on Central here, Bathhouse Row. Fixing to go down here and get us some spring water. I'm going to show you where I like to go. So there's a place to get water right there on the right. That's good water, but I don't like that place. I don't like the crowd. I come down here and I take a right on Reserve Street and I go up the hill here. And it looks like we have somebody up here in our way getting water, so we're going to have to wait a minute. But that's okay. We'll pull over here and pause the video and we'll wait for them to leave so we can pull up there and park in the same place they're parked. Alright, here we are. Good hot water. I'll show y'all what this place is. It's an old Libby Memorial Physical Medicine Center. Anyway, this is where I like to get my water. Let me get y'all set up on a tripod here and we're gonna fill up all our jugs. Alright, here we are in my favorite spot to get water. Passing these jugs off to my son. He really don't want to be in the video, but he gonna hand me the jugs. We got about 50 jugs to fill. I'm just gonna show y'all me filling a few of them here. I enjoy this time. It's peaceful to me coming over here getting water. Sitting over there. Did you set one down? Alright, y'all see where I get my water at. I'm not going to make y'all watch this whole thing. I'm going to pause this video again here for a little bit. Alright, we got them all full. We're fixing to cut out of here and go towards your house. Alright, I'm just showing y'all. I'm on the corner of Spring and Reserve Street. Right there's a sign for the visitor center. And this is the place where I get my water. All the water is over here. Every bit of the water over here is good. I just prefer to get my water here. I like the taste of it a little bit better. And I don't know, it's usually shady here when I'm getting it. And it's, you know, not quite as crowded usually. I don't have to wait. And usually I'm getting about 50 gallons of water, so I don't need to have to wait. I don't know, I think this place used to be a mental hospital or something. I don't think it's used at all now. But anyway, this is where I like to get my water. We're not going to catch these people here at the fountain in the video right now, but we're fixing to cut out of here. Again, it's Libby Memorial Physical Medicine Center. That's the place to get you water. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.